kitchen hose? Use hose.
Just a scouring pad.
Well, it may be just a scouring pad to you, Michael, but it happens to be a very important account to me.
What?
Hey, why don't you hit this? Probably.
Yay! No hands!
Angela, there is this expedition that's going to Zimbabwe. Angela, I love you. But you know how hard it is for me to sit behind the desk? The only reason for me to be here is to be with you. But if you're so busy,
What you doing, monkey?
that you can't be with me, then I'd rather be where I'd rather be. So I'm going to Zimbabwe.
Can you dance? Dancing, baby!
You're going to Zimbabwe too?
Yay!
I mean about us. It can't work. I agree.
Angela, you don't have to say this.
Uh-oh.
No, I mean it.
If you're so
Uh-oh.
No, I was going to dump you first.
Bouncy, bouncy, baby. Bouncy, bouncy, baby. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
What are you doing?
Bouncy. Can you bounce? That's not bouncing. That's... There she goes.
So, Michael's gone, man.
Oh, shoot.
Why you call me? Call me, say bye. Tell me to take care of you.
Does this mean you're back?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.